Hi, thanks for coming. Such is the nature of teaching that our unit on chemical science no longer meets the requirements of our students because of a lack of their prior knowledge and also because of low literacy levels. That's fine, we just need a new strategy. We have two new strategies. The first one being to use oral language as a basis for developing vocabulary, and the second one being to draw on students' own experiences to make connections. Therefore, we have new goals. We have two goals. The first one being for students to have knowledge of the science vocabulary that is relevant to the CD, and the second one being for them to be able to apply this knowledge to write a descriptive report. The teaching and learning cycle is a great way for us to develop student literacy, so we're going to use this to guide our teaching. The first part of the cycle is building the field, which addresses the operational dimension of literacy by developing the technical vocabulary of science through explicit teaching. Grammar focus also occurs here, where we're using time connectives and sequencing events using adverbs to indicate a place and time. We can also add things like a word wall or pictures, or even use movement for students to be able to understand the vocabulary. The next part of the phase is the modelling phase, where we look at descriptive reports and deconstruct the genre to scaffold learning, again addressing the operational dimension of literacy. Explicit teaching is needed again here because of our students' low literacy levels. The cultural literacy dimension is used here by looking at the actual structure of reports. The next part of the phase is the guided practice phase, where there is a joint construction of reports that could be written or spoken, and this again uses an inquiry learning experience which could occur before the writing. The writing part will actually be explicitly taught. The next part of the phase is the independent composition, where students can make judgments about what to present in their texts, and therefore they're looking at the critical dimension of literacy. When the students actually get to realise that language varies according to the context. As far as strategies go, a benefit of fostering oral language is that it develops vocabulary in a safe and non-pressured environment. The challenge is that peers often may not be the best role models. Science vocabulary can be too technical, and also this is going to be quite challenging for students who have English as their second language. A benefit of drawing on students' own experience is an increase in engagement, and also a challenge can be that it can be time consuming. So we want these strategies to be used in every aspect of teaching this unit. A feature of our lessons will be think, pair, share, group discussion and class discussion. This sort of discussion fosters the informal literacy learning, which gives your students an opportunity to practice those formally learnt literacy skills. Topics related to our students' cultural diversity will be used as much as possible. I think in this way that we can improve student learning outcomes and deliver a successful chemical science unit. Thanks.